What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Fever TV. We're over here at this other creek today. Wanted to come over here while the weather's so warm. It's supposed to cool off a little bit in the next few days. I haven't been in this creek in a long time. I'm just going to go over here and do a little fishing, see what I can catch, see if I can't catch some little bluegill, just whatever. I brought some worms with me as well, so want to see what I can do, try to catch some fish. So come on, let's go make it work. Let's go catch something. Well, guys, I've got a little jig like I normally use. Going down through here, I'm going to use a worm if I have to. I brought some worms. If I don't catch anything, I know this creek is really shallow creek, but we might get lucky with a little jig. See what we can do. It's a cool little creek. I want to get down here and around and see if I can't catch something. See what happens. See something bigger moving over there. Maybe nothing. I may have to switch to a worm. Something really chill. Or I'll just have to find them in this little creek, see where they're setting. This creek, it's pretty low in the summertime. I've tried to fish this creek in the past with something like this and never could catch anything, but I use worms, I catch a bunch of little ones. So you never know. Never know. Extremely shallow. There's one. Got something. A little tiny bluegill. Little bitty dude. Little bitty guy. At least we caught something. But it ain't been easy. I've walked down here a little ways. God, dude, chill. Little bitty tiny bluegill. Man, that thing's small. It's bait. See you, buddy. It's starting to get cooler just being out here. I can feel it. Yeah, oh shit, I didn't even put it back in the water. Come on, man. Sorry, buddy. Down, he's laying down there on the ground. I thought he fell in. That water ain't even deep enough. It's funny. I looked down there, he's laying in there looking at me. He's like, come on, dude. He's like, you ain't gonna leave me like this, are you? You ain't gonna leave me like this, are you, buddy? Let's see if we can find another one sitting in there. That dude spined me right in the middle, right on the end of my big toe. Man. Right on the end of my toe. Into the good spot right over there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There's one. Decent little one. I'm going to have to bring him up over the log. There we go, little red breast. There's a normal red breast. The one I caught the other day, he was a big old red breast. Hooks are manglers. Oh man, dang, I got spined by that one. These fish are spiny boogers, boy. Well, we got another one, so that's a plus. Got two right over here in this little spot. See if we can't catch another one over here. Oh, got one. He swallowed. No, he didn't swallow. He almost swallowed it. That's a little green sunfish. Hold him by the lip. It's a big old fish. Look at him. He's freaking out. Little green sunfish. Hey, buddy. Take it easy. I'm sorry. I might have messed him up. He's going a little slow. Hopefully, yeah, he'll make it. He just was traumatized. He was like, man. It's weird because I seen it drop down, then it was nothing. Then I went to reel over that log, and that's when I noticed that he was on there. It's crazy. They see that little bitty worm that's falling and just whipping around. They can't resist it if they're there. If they're sitting there, they cannot resist it. All right, let's see if you can't. The water's actually kind of warm now. I thought I wasn't even thinking about it. Standing in it. Stood it the whole time with my feet getting cold. I just now even realized that. All right, I'm gonna walk around here, see if I can't get into something else. Well, there's one. I was looking up the creek there for somewhere else to go. Hopefully he didn't choke it too much. One thing I hate about a bobber. It's like another green sunfish. Little green sunfish. Hey, buddy. See you, buddy. It's cool. Little greenie. There's one. Another little green sunfish. Looks like there's a lot of green sunfish in this creek. Pretty much all greenies. Another green sunfish. See you, buddy. A lot of green sunfish over here. There'll be a fish over there for sure. I swear they're popping at my dang bobber. They're coming up and smacking at my bobber. It's crazy. These guys are aggressive. Just hitting whatever. There's a bluegill. Little bluegill. See a little bluegill? Tiny little bluegill. Look at them. There's what? Wish I had some little floating popper or something. It's funny how they're just smacking at that bobber like. Another one. Found a little honey hole back in here. Catching all kinds of little green fishies. There he goes. He ain't gonna make it. Messed him up pretty bad. He got down in his stomach. Maybe he'll make it. There he goes. Well, everybody, that is that. Caught a lot of green sunfish, a couple of bluegill, nothing much. Walked around, made a video. I'm tired. I walked up through there and I gotta run, got some things to do, but I appreciate y'all guys for watching my videos. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see y'all guys later.